So this is Cheryl Hazard back again. So I was thinking about my migraine theory with whales. Now, if algae has more magnesium in it, and I don't know, I'm trying to I tried looking that up and had a little difficulty finding the facts about it. But it is green. And so the fact that there's chlorophyll likely to be in it kind of makes me think it's a possibility that yes, it would have the magnesium. Um, but if the whale's not getting as much of that in captivity, magnesium deficiency in humans can cause a migraine, more stress, and more depression, as well as migraines, which can be awful. But magnesium is also needed for the heart. And so this poses a question with regards to a whale. Does it do the same thing in a whale? And a deficiency of magnesium can also cause acts of aggression and impulse control in people. So does it do the same thing in whales? Does a deficiency in whales cause the same problems? But they said in captivity, a whale's lifespan is only up to about 15 years, which really cuts the life of the whale short. And in the wild, they can live up to 100 years. And if it's true that magnesium is needed for the whale's heart health, and it's not getting enough in captivity because it's not getting enough of the algae, well, that could be a game changer in how long whales could live in captivity, maybe. Whether they get the algae or not. Maybe that's a game changer. Maybe that's one. Maybe that's one that warrants consideration. But there are a lot of things to consider with this, and like I said, I don't consider it just one or two things and it's going to change the whole thing. I think there's a lot of things to factor into this thing. And, but this has me asking a lot of questions. And somebody who's worked with whales or researched them may know better how to answer them or how to come up with an idea for some of this stuff. But the bottom line comes down to both the safety and well-being of both the whale and the trainers and the people who work with them. Ultimately, that is a bottom line. And so, that's what comes to mind when I ask these questions is what are the things that center around those that affect both the whale and the trainer? And the decisions that both the whale makes and the trainer. This is Cheryl Hazard speaking.